On page 4 of the notes for 5.1, you'll notice we've hit the Practice Plus part of the assignment. Again, coming off of Math 60, being familiar with this author, this shouldn't be a surprise to you. The Practice Plus is where they take it up a notch. It's almost 2 problems in one, where they combine at least 2 different topics, 2 different concepts into one problem. So you find these might take a little longer, require a little bit more thought process. Read those instructions very carefully as you get to these, and they'll help you start. It says to find the slope and the y-intercept for the graph of each equation in the given system, which means we're going to want to put it in slope-intercept form to see those really easily. Because when you solve for y, you get y equals mx plus b. You can see the slope and the y-intercept. Where you begin for the y-intercept, how you move, that's your slope. Instructions go on to say to use the information, not the equations or the graphs, to determine, use not the equations, graphs, to determine the system if it has no solution, one solution, or an infinite number of solutions. So the no solution part, again, is the parallel lines. The one solution is if they intersect, so no special relationship, they just have different slopes and intersect, or an infinite number of solutions, which means they're the same line. So parallel lines means they're going to have same slope, same line means they're going to have same slope and the same y-intercept. So you don't actually have to graph to be able to use the graphing information to solve this. So we're going to solve it for y equals mx plus b, get the graphing information, the slope and the intercept, and then use that to determine if they have no solution, one solution, or infinite number of solutions. Okay, different slopes on that. If there's going to be one solution. So we aren't actually solving it, we're just determining how many solutions there are. Let's look at page 299, number 46. The first equation is already solved for y. So that's what we want to do to get the y equals mx plus b form, the slope-intercept form. Okay? So in this case, we already have the fact that our b value is 3, or the y-intercept is 0, 3, and our slope is negative 1/4. So we already have our y-intercept and our slope given to us because it's already solved for y. It's ready to go. In the second equation, we will need to rearrange, use our algebra skills to solve for y. So we need to get y by itself. So we'll start by subtracting 4x from both sides, leaving us with negative y on the left. Negative 3 and negative 4x are not like terms. You cannot combine them, so we'll just need to write them side by side. Negative 4x plus a negative 3, or negative 4x minus 3. Again, if you're uncomfortable with positive negative numbers, let's get some help. That's a Math 20 issue that we need to get resolved for you so you can be confident and strong as you move on in your math. Y is not quite by itself yet, so we're going to go ahead and divide everything by negative 1, and that leaves us with positive y equals a positive 4x and a positive 3. And now we can look at that to get our information here. So again, here is our b value, our y-intercept. So b equals 3. That's our y-intercept of 0, 3. And our slope value of, in front of the x, is 4. So there's our slope. And now we do not have to graph these to get the information that we need. We're just looking to see if they have the same slope. And if they do, are they parallel or the same line? And the intercept will tell us that. If they have different slopes, they are just 2 lines that intersect. So in this case, the 1/4 and the 4 These are different slopes. So this particular system has one solution. So the system has one solution.